Readdy AI is a brand new AI software that's quickly gaining attention, but what makes it stand out? In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Readdy AI so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. Stick with me until the end because I'll share my honest thoughts and how you can try this software completely free. And no, it's not just some trial with hidden fees. First things first, let's talk about the core functionality of Readdy AI. This software is built to streamline the process of automating content creation, managing customer interactions, and improving the overall productivity of your business. If you've ever felt like it's a hassle to constantly create fresh content or engage with customers at scale, Readdy AI could be a game changer. It allows you to quickly generate tailored content, respond to inquiries, and scale your business activities more effectively than ever before. Now, Readdy AI uses an intuitive interface that makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned marketers alike. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. In fact, the learning curve is minimal, and you can dive straight into setting up your workflows and getting results without wasting time. For anyone who's tried other AI tools that were overwhelming or too complex, Readdy AI's simplicity is a breath of fresh air. What sets this software apart is its flexibility. Readdy AI isn't just one size fits all, it adapts to your specific needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, or even a content creator, Readdy AI allows you to customize workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and fine-tune how you engage with your audience. It's like having a personal assistant that scales with your business. But let's talk about what really makes Readdy AI special, its advanced automation capabilities. Imagine this, you can automate everything from customer support to content generation without lifting a finger. It's designed to handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. With smart algorithms, it learns your preferences over time and continuously improves its output. Another important thing to note is the integration capabilities. Readdy AI seamlessly integrates with a wide variety of platforms, making it incredibly versatile. If you're already using popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, or social media platforms, you'll have no problem syncing everything together. This flexibility ensures you can get the most out of your existing tools and workflows while enhancing them with Readdy AI's capabilities. I also want to highlight the customer support side of things. When it comes to any new software, having reliable support is crucial. Readdy AI offers 24/7 customer service, and the team is quick to respond, which can be a lifesaver when you're in a pinch and need immediate assistance. Whether it's troubleshooting or just needing advice on how to best utilize the software, they've got your back. Now, before I wrap up, I'll mention that you can try Readdy AI completely free. Just click the first link in the description. If you're curious and want to see if this software fits your business needs, you can dive in without any commitment. No strings attached. In conclusion, Readdy AI is a solid option for anyone looking to improve efficiency and automate crucial business tasks. Whether you're managing a digital marketing campaign, handling customer service, or generating content, this software can help you do it all with less effort. And remember, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my top recommended AI software in the description below for you to try for free. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comments.